Greetings for all lecturer and colleagues. My name is Anomaly. I'm from ASEAN Institute of Technology. So what a grateful day when you could watch my presentation today. So I'm going to deliver my hands-on project related to the developing study of plastic waste impact to climate hypothesis based on terrain and oceanic temperature. So it's about how plastic waste in general and comprehensive way could accelerate the climate change phenomenon based on temperature changes in terrain and ocean. Yeah. So defining the plastic waste and climate change issue until today, I define the major topics to deliver the problem. So there are four main topics. The first one is plastic waste problem in general. So firstly, plastic waste at its first step, it wasn't a problem. It's just a good material that established by Bakelin in 1907, which has lightweight, durable, and persistent material to the moisture condition. However, it was mismanaged and easily disposed by people due to its easiness. And plastic waste mainly produced by human activity and led the fact of higher population growth that might take plastic to the higher number in generation. Surprisingly, Jambeck, one of the researchers of plastic named Jambeck in 2015, said that plastic arrived to the ocean start in 1970. And then plastic was the brief to the climate change that plastic highly produced in fossil fuel base, which is this non-renewable energy can lead to higher greenhouse gas emissions up to 213 billion metric ton, according to the report in 19 in 19 into 2019. So observed by the expert, climate change delivered by the several parameters such as temperature, pressure, wind, radiation, turbidity, and carbon flux. And one of the topic that I want to mention that is about the temperature itself. So based on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration since 1880, there is Earth encountered extreme temperature, and for the last decade, it continuously rising like this. And one of the indicating facts that plastic pathway in landfill and the ocean could deliver in this unstable temperature, which is taking role in greenhouse gas emissions. So to conduct my study for Indonesia region, which has a wide coverage area, as you can see, I simply use a general framework to local-based analysis. Firstly, I use the developing multi-dimension temperature for taking the anomaly temperature for Indonesia. And for the plastic waste issue, I start simply as vulnerability or potential analysis based on urban area and population density. And for the data that I use from the sensing-based product, I mainly use remote sensing data such as monitoring data and secondary product of environmental and remote sensing to cover up the wide area of study. There are SICCI land cover and GLC NMO and MODIS build up for spatial resolution of 300 meters. It's for the land cover area. And for the population, I use GSN population modeling, which is in the higher resolution, which is provided by Facebook connectivity lab in 13 meters. And temporal modis aqua in level 3 for monthly 1 kilometer. So I use the geographic information system based processing to provide my classification and raster calculation and overlay analysis to take comprehensive location based analysis. Here is the general workflow of my study. So, so to develop land and sea surface temperature for MODIS, I calculate the 10 years dataset of anomaly temperatures for the average temperature for taking the trend of the data. For plastic waste index firstly I need to synchronize the spatial resolution. As you can see, I use the population model in 30 meters resolution, spatial resolution. So I use the resampling method for uniforming the spatial resolution. Then the classification and calculation could be conducted to deliver the index potential. So after that, I use the combining the analysis of two sides of phenomenon from temperature and plastic waste vulnerability. I use the overlay analysis to take analytical trend in certain area. For the first result, I've got some for the plastic waste issue shown in the figure that the bigger city such as Medan or Jakarta, as you can see, it has index up to 3, number 3. So, and for the remote area, as you can see, uh, it contain of 0 to 1 index. The charts above, which I showed to you, shows that 1.7 billion million hectare of index 3, which is approximately the area of bigger city in Indonesia. Some big cities from the 5 biggest island in Indonesia or higher index from Medan, as I mentioned before, Medan, Jakarta, Pontianak, Makassar, and Sorong. So based on my study, that I found that plastic waste generated from the densest population, which is taking up the higher index. The temperature anomaly change are shown in the figure from 2010 until 2019. Represent that the western area is here from Sumatra and Java Island. The western area has a higher anomaly, which indicate by darker blue or the orange color, as derived from 24-bit depth of color of raster. The biggest island, as you can see, the Kalimantan Island, has higher anomaly due to the other impacts, such as forest fire during this period. Uh, Contextualizing with the plastic waste, as you can see, it also has a role in waste management due to the remote area. Remote area that I mentioned before is the area of Papua or even the area of Kalimantan or Sulawesi, which is it defined that the plastic waste management could take a role that in the remote area is not defining that the plastic waste management is not adequate to the other uh, area, such as you can see, the Java Island has not so high anomaly temperature. It's about in the Indonesia mainly average in 0.6 to 1.5 degrees Celsius anomaly, which is we can conclude that in Java Island there is good plastic waste management. But if you can see that in the Pacific region, which has also higher anomaly temperature, it it's not defined yet about the tropical mountain in Pacific region, which has higher anomaly. So if you can see the relationship between pixel distribution and temperature, here as you can, there are mainly distributed in the Indonesia mainly average. So here is the reference that I use for the study. Thank you for your attention. If you need help or if you have any question, you can contact me from this.